Hey y'all, welcome back to Brick Language. I'm Tracy. We have several things to build today and we continue to count down to my birthday using our countdown calendar. We've got some more doors to open. So let's get started. Today we will be building all of the baby dinosaurs. So this is baby Dolores. We will be building her. As well, we will be building baby Bumpy. Baby Bumpy is an ankylosaurus, and she is also from the Chaos Theory cartoon. So you can be familiar with her, and with our baby T-Rex, we will also be building today baby Eatie. But I think these are going to be posable, and I think these are going to be a lot of fun. So we better get started. celebrating July, we have been working on an advent calendar. We opened 2 doors last time we were here. Just a reminder, this is what we're building. This is the Harry Potter 2020 set. And we are counting down to my birthday. July is my birthday month. So we've opened 2 doors. We've opened one, which was down here. And that was Harry in his dress robes with his wand. And it was a table with a candle and a small Yule Ball invitation. Good. Door number 2 was a tiny Hogwarts, which I thought was so great. So today we're gonna open, today is the 6th, so we're gonna open doors 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're gonna open 4 doors this afternoon. So let's go on to door number 3. Door number 3 is over here. Door number 3, this is great, was the tiny Durmstrang boat. So here's Durmstrang, the tiny boat when it arrived at Hogwarts. As you can tell, this is all themed around the Goblet of Fire, specifically the Yule Ball. Let's look at door number 4. So door number 4, we've got the Beaubaton carriage. You can see the little flying horse there in front, and the wheels, and of course the doors. So this little tiny build took me a minute to get together, but it looks really good, especially along beside the Durmstrang boat and the tiny Hogwarts. So that was door number 4. So now we move to door number 5, which is right here in the middle. Oh, I think we have a character. And now we have Cho in her beautiful gown, that dress robe gown that she wore to the Yule Ball. And her hair is up in its beautiful little sweep that she had at the ball. All right, so that was box number 5. Now to the last one for the day, box number 6. Let me find it. There's 6 right here in the middle. There's number 6. We're gonna so here we go. We've got door number 6, and it does not disappoint. Here we have the goblet of fire with the blue flame and everything. All right, door 6 is the last of it today. So we're going to put all of our pieces on now. So we're going to put Harry and his table and his invitation. We're going to put Cho back here with him. We're going to put the goblet of fire in the middle. We're going to put our tiny Hogwarts next to it. And there is Beauxbaton right there's carriage. And here is Durmstrang's boat. Just based on these doors so far, this looks really good. I think this is a really fun way to count down to your birthday or any special event, especially if you want a little bit of Lego every day to celebrate as you get closer to your day. Really fun. We will continue this in our next video. Whatever days we have then, we'll go ahead and open up the next set of doors. So you be sure that you come back and watch us open some doors. That is all for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and we'll try to bring you more of that. That's it for today. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.